Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2023 Ford Transit Connect Solar Silver in color. It's a gorgeous gray color. The vehicle has adaptive cruise control, navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror, heated leather seats, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable also, folding mirrors. Our Mini T conversion consists of the solar on the roof, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan. Starting in the back, you have the hitch with a 2,000-pound towing capacity, 200-pound tongue weight. You can plug this in using the shore power plug. The hitch works great for hauling bikes. It says the rear liftgate. The power system of the Mini T conversion consists of solar, dual house batteries, 2,000-watt inverter, which is turning that stored power into power you need to use the microwave if you're not plugged in. Those batteries are charged if you're driving, solar on the roof, or if you're plugged in. There's a microwave, hand pump faucet, sink, thermostatically controlled refrigerator that you could set to become a freezer. For privacy, we limo tint the back windows, and we provide you with the WeatherTech sunshades and also the privacy curtain. There's WeatherTech floor mats to protect the front, vinyl flooring in the back. The couch is comfortable to sit at and watch your TV. The couch quickly folds out into a 43 by 72-inch bed. This vehicle also has additional mid-vehicle overhead airline storage. Transit Connect works as a great daily driver, can become your only vehicle, fits in a standard 7-foot garage, and gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Check out the full details at DLM-Distribution.com or give us a call 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!